Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey everyone! If you want to add a search bar here into your actual website from WordPress, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Let's go! So, how we can do this, what you want to do first is go into the dashboard of your WordPress. So, once we are here, what you want to do next is to locate your page. And here, what I want to do is to add a new page. Just gonna hit on add page, and then here I will see the edit option. It's going to be sending me into the actual part of this design. So I'm just gonna choose one in here, and let me just edit the picture real quick. After that, it's going to be showing me something like this, and here's you can see you will have about the home, the contact if I choose to edit. This is gonna be helping me because it's gonna be actual work as a search bar. So if you want to add the search toolbar, here at the upper left corner, I will just click on the plus icon, and here I can look out or search for the search bar, or you can just type in search, and then once you see it, you just have to drag and drop. So let me just do that. I am going to drop that in here. So we do have the optional place hold, and we're going to just make this a little bit more bigger or smaller if you want by adjusting here. And there we go. If you want to change the button position, I'm going to choose this. For example, into the inside, you can just click on that like this, and it's going to be looking like a little bit more professional. So after that, you want to just leave like that, and we're actually good to go. If you also want to look out for other options, of course, you can go into your block section and you can look for search options and all that. So, with that being said, that's the very end of this video. Just a pretty quick instruction on how you can add search bar into WordPress menu.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.